Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning unit 4. Its title is Helping Others. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about compound words. Before this in English for grade 4, I have already taught you about compound words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recognize specific part of words, including common and fractional ending we'll do some other day. So our focus will be on compound words for today's lecture. Affixes we will practice later. So this is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255. To him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Yes, my dear children, Allahu Akbar. What this verse is telling us? Whatever is on the earth or in the heavens, whose control, whose belonging is that? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So who we are to talk about the thing? This is mine, you cannot touch it or things like that. But everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we are really grateful, thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us such a huge blessings which we cannot even count, right? So my dear children, I have marked this word here, whatever. Can you see there are two words, what and ever, and they are combined together to make one word, right? So what such type of words are called? Okay, let's find out. First you tell me what is a compound word and what are root words. So pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could answer it correctly that compound words are words that consist of two or more words that are joined together to create a new word, okay, with its individual meaning. What happens? We combine two or sometimes more than two words and we make one word which is different, which has its individual meaning, right? So two words joined together to make a new word is compound word, all right? Its examples are here. Evergreen. Now ever, when we say it as a different word, as individual word, it has different meaning. And green is noun. When we make it together, it becomes one word, evergreen. Arm and chair. Arm has different meaning, chair has different, but when we make it together, we make a new word, armchair. Okay. Crossroad. Crossroad. This is how we make compound words. All right. There are, let's see, what does your book say about it? A word which consists of two or more words that join together to create a new word with its individual meaning is a compound word. And its examples are here. Now you tell me, this is, what is the picture telling you? This is a picture of food, okay? And it is a picture of sea. So together they make a word, seafood, yummy, yummy. Right? This is how better these two words separately may be different, but when we join these two words together, it becomes a new word that is a compound word, seafood. Again here, it's air or wind. Yes, what is the difference between air and wind? Air is everywhere, but these, here are telling us it's a little fast, that's why we'll call it wind. And it's a picture of mill. So when they are together, it becomes windmill, right? Okay, so this is again foot and print, and we join these two words together to make a new word, footprint. This is a compound word. This is the concept of compound words. Are you clear? Okay, so it's time to practice from your book. There are examples: arm, chair, compound word becomes armchair, evergreen, and graveyard, compound word, wheelchair, wheelchair, crossroad, compound word, and iceberg, compound word, iceberg. Right? These are the examples of compound words. So I'm going to check your concept through an activity. Are you ready for that? All right. So make a starburst with the first word in the middle. You will take a word and you will make it in the center, then put the compound words in a circle around that first word. Okay, so you'll keep making a round again around the middle word, that will be the base word, the root word. You will keep attaching more words to that word to make compound words. Now, and you can use colored paper to make it more fun and colorful. All right, are you clear? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you make a beautiful flower of compound words. Good job. So it's time to practice it from your book. One of the example has been given, doorbell, and it's doorbell. The next is given here. You have to pick the correct word from here to make compound words for all these words. Okay, so pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using compound words. Okay, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, 2 lists are given here. You are going to make compound words out of these 2 lists. So what we have learned today, we learned that compound words are words that consist of 2 or more words that are joined together to create a new word with its individual meaning. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize specific part of words, including compound word. Right? So inflectional ending and affixes, we'll practice some other day. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you.